Discover how ChatGPT can enhance your Mandarin learning experiences. As an AI language model, ChatGPT offers practice conversations, vocabularies and grammar lessons, culture insights, and language exercise to help you improve your skills. With ChatGPT's advanced language processing and vast knowledge base, you can ask for translations, grammar explanations, and real-life examples of Chinese phrases. Whether you are a beginner or an advanced learner, ChatGPT can be an invaluable resource for your Mandarin learning journey. Well, I didn't make the beginning, it's ChatGPT. What? So, for those who don't know ChatGPT, ChatGPT is a large AI language model developed by OpenAI that can engage in conversations, answer questions, and provide language-related assistance for multiple languages. And today, I'm going to show you how ChatGPT can help your Mandarin learning. The first thing that you can do with ChatGPT is practice conversation or dialogue. You can actually ask ChatGPT to generate conversations for you to practice in different scenarios. It will come up with an example conversations. So let's see. 你好，请问有空桌吗？有的，请问几位？两位，这边请。It's quite accurate. And it also has pinyin to teach you the pronunciation. And it also has an English translation below for the meaning. It will be very helpful for you to understand the situation. Second, once you get the conversation, you can simply copy and paste them into a text-to-speech software. Then you can find out the pronunciation and then you can follow it to practice it by yourself. We could use the restaurant conversation as example. So we copy them and then paste. Let's have a look.
有的，请问几位？两位。
It's pretty cool, right?
Nice.
Third, we could use ChatGPT to practice our grammar. We just simply ask ChatGPT to show us the basic grammar explanations, such as sentence structures. Let's say we would like to know the question sentence in Mandarin. So we type the question to ChatGPT and it will give us the explanation. Another cool thing that ChatGPT could do is simplify complicated text for us. So, for example, if you are reading a Chinese text which you think is too difficult for you, so you could ask ChatGPT to simplify it to a beginner level text which could help you understand better and could also improve your reading skills. Do you know ChatGPT could also help your writing skills? For example, you could ask it to make your writing more friendly depending on your target audience. However, if you ask ChatGPT to correct your writing grammar, it will be a big problem because it's not very accurate, although it will still provide you with a better answer. So you don't need to sit down in front of your computer to figure out what to write and how to write. So in summary, ChatGPT is an amazing tool that could help your Mandarin practice more efficiently and make your Mandarin learning more fun. And it's just like a game. And it could definitely help your revision method or to remind you of some basic information. However, ChatGPT will never replace a real human interaction, which is the essence of communicating in not only Mandarin but any languages. It's a great tool for you to practice when you are on your own or when you have no one else to practice with. But it is not ideal to help you to learn how to have a real conversation and to overcome the fear of speaking with others and generating real fluency. So remember that no matter what technology you may be offered, there is nothing like real human interaction. So thanks for your watching, and if you like this video, please click the like button and subscribe to the channel. If you would like to know more about learning Mandarin, please click this video. So I see you in next video. Bye!